Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Organised Mum Lifestyle. I'm Emily and we are on our adventures again. This weekend we went to Cambridge, 2 hours south of Auckland. We went to the New Zealand Motor Caravan Show, the NZMCA Show in Cambridge, an annual show that we like to go to look at other caravans, meet some friends and look at accessories that we might want to buy. We also wanted to go on the miniature trains, which are next door to the campsite we stay at. We had a great time last year, but unfortunately at the last minute it was cancelled due to bad weather. And then we went to the Cherry Blossom Festival on the Sunday. Now September is spring here in New Zealand, which is different for me, having been brought up in the Northern Hemisphere. So it was really nice to see the cherry blossoms. There was a house that opened up and put on a bit of a festival with music, and we all had a great time. Bit of a short weekend, particularly because the clocks changed and we lost an hour, but we made the most of it by getting out on Friday night, staying out till Sunday night, ready for work the next day. It was a great weekend and I want to share it with you. We stopped at Hampton Downs, which is our favourite stop between Auckland and Cambridge. Nice cafe and a chance to watch the cars. We're here at the top 10 caravan site in Cambridge. It didn't take long for the kids to find the jumping pillow. They were pretty quick and jumping up and down. Unfortunately, too much fun was had and Monty came flying off the jumping pillow and scratched his face on the sand. So this is how he looked for the rest of the weekend. A few hours later though, he was out playing with torches in the dark, quite happy. Next morning and we're at Limujii Creek for the NZMCA Caravan Show. Was a favourite of Monty's. Daddy found a caravan that could rival the base station for its motorbike storage, and I had bathroom envy at this bathroom. We also had a look at the quality of some of the cupboards and the fittings in the other caravans, and I did like these induction chargers, which was a little bit clever. We had a look at the layout of some other caravans, but we still like the layout of the base station with its separate room and its 4 bunks. Electric bike was pretty cool, and we didn't need a wind tunnel in this weather to make it feel real. Look at this caravan, I've never seen anything like this before. Check out Adventures with Rosie, who's actually in this shot, filming a video all about this caravan. I'll put a link in the description, worth a watch. Thank you NZMCA for another great show, we'll see you next year. Now back to the caravan on this cold, windy day just to have a bit of a chill. That was a very wet night, but we were cosy in the caravan, packing up on Sunday morning, ready to head home via the Cherry Blossom Festival. We enjoyed the kids colouring in area, which was really nice, but it was super muddy. We also enjoyed the llamas, but I think this sums up how much Tilly was interested in the morning. Although we got this gorgeous family photo, which somebody took for us, and that's definitely a keeper. I think the most exciting thing of their day was going back in the bus because it had a park and ride, which was actually the first time the kids have been on a coach. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. We certainly love sharing our adventures with you and watching back what we got up to. I've got a lot more adventures planned as we go towards summer here in New Zealand. I'm also finishing up editing my UK trip series. Already live is some videos on how to deal with jet lag in toddlers, flying, packing, and those kind of tips you'll need for long haul, as well as a few adventures that we've been on, including the dinosaur park and Gruffalo World. I'm just editing some videos around affordable things to do with toddlers and plans for our summer trips, with a video every Friday. So join me in my next video. I'll see you then.